Hey guys.
They traded yesterday.
So what that means is there's
Baseball season, and we are smashing prices right out of the ballpark. Hey guys, Darean here, Brad Deary Ford's Focus of the Day. And today's focus is going to be on our 2018 Platinum F-150. Now this F-150 is black on black with leather interior and automatic running boards. This engine is going to be a 5.0 V8, and this thing only has 22,000 miles. Pretty nice truck. We're going to dive right in, take a look at it. So let's do that. Alright guys, taking a look at the exterior portion of the truck. You notice the really nice double bar grill, Platinum grill. That's only unique for the Platinum truck. Also we have LED headlights. Got your tow hooks up front, fog lamps, really nice. Now these rims come standard on a Platinum. They're pretty nice. Let's see here. These are 20-inch. Yep. So 20-inch rims on the Platinum. Got the Platinum badge here. And this is actually an underrated feature of the truck, is this light guy right here. This light is so you're walking up to the truck and it's dark out, and down here it's going to light up. It's very nice. You can always control that with this right here. You just press it, it'll turn on, turn it off, just like that. Also, another cool feature is these power running boards. All you have to do is open and close the door and it'll just pop the running board out. This is one of my favorite features because I am a forgetful person, and that is a capless gas cap. It's always nice to have a capless gas cap so you don't ever have to worry about it 5 miles down the road. Look at that. The Platinum badging right here on the tailgate is very nice and sleek, aesthetic looking. I like that. Backup camera. Hydraulic tailgate, just like that. Box LED lights. Tie down hooks. Got some down here and up there, and it's all 4 corners. Sliding rear window. So guys, that's the exterior of the truck. Now we're going to jump right in and take a look at the interior. Guys, taking a look at the inside of the vehicle, I want to start off with this Platinum decal right here. It's a little plate. It's actually really nice. It doesn't look cheap looking. You know, when you're buying a Platinum, it's very important to know that, you know, you're spending your money's worth, right? And that just goes to show that Ford cares about their customers and the money they spend. Also, take a look at the door trim. You got kind of like a black wooden finish. We get in here, you can kind of see the grooves right there. And with the chrome outline, it's very nice. Power seats right here. This guy right here in the middle, that's your multi-contour seats. So you have massaging seats right here in the truck. I believe it's 10-way power. Yep, 10-way. Taking a look here, you got adjustable pedal height. Very nice rotary shifter for the lights. You got your fog lights here. That's your hydraulic tailgate, and then your dashboard dimming and stuff like that. Hopping into the truck, you got your leather wrapped shifter here, leather wrapped steering wheel right here. Very nice standard Ford, broke up into 4 quadrants here. You know, hands-free, cruise, arrows, and then volume options. Okay, Platinum heated cooled seats, dual climate control, and your Sync 3 entertainment system. So you got your audio options like your AM, FM, satellite radio, climate controls, phone, navigation. That navigation is built in, so you don't ever have to worry about losing signal, anything of that sort. It's all through an SD card. And then here's a quick browse through the settings. A lot of this is personal options. Just go in and personalize it yourself. But this vehicle will come with Wi-Fi and hotspot. If you want to go through AT&T, you can do that. And Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So essentially what you do is you go ahead and take your phone and just slap your screen right up here, and I can definitely show you how to do that. 4x4 here, and then you got your OEM trailer brake here. So guys, let's see here, make sure I don't forget anything. And this has an inverter, so 3-prong outlet, you know, if you ever need to plug in a laptop, all that good stuff. So thank you guys for tuning in today. We went over a lot of cool things, and I can go over these again and even more in detail with you guys. All you have to do is give me a shout. My number is 563-363-2202, or just drop on by, ask for Darean. We're located here in Maquoketa, Iowa, right off Highway 61. So guys, I'll see you in the future, and thanks for watching.